Hello, and welcome to Mike Thinks YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. I just want to take a short duration of your time to introduce you to my YouTube channel. The title is Mike Thinks. That's because the content on here is basically straight out of my head. Some of it may seem random. Some of it may be actually deliberate in terms of questions I've been asked or have thought that basically the public could benefit by hearing about. I'm a chemist. I work at a university, but I also am a human being. And more often than not, scientists are not well understood and characterized as rigid or not human, which is not the case, obviously. I eat, I go to the bathroom, and sometimes I do other things too, which you'll see on this website. Anyways, in the future, I will introduce you to other aspects about my life and website, basically, including this. This is a YouTube channel, but I also have a blogging site where I go more in depth to certain problems that I tackle. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And aside from that, let's see, is there anything else? I don't think so. We'll start with some cooking lessons. I'm learning how to cook, and that will be kind of exciting and nerve-wracking, but hopefully you'll enjoy it along the way. Alrighty, thanks again for stopping by, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the future. Cheers.